Welcome back to another episode of Flatline Fowl. Today we are hunting a cut cornfield that's got close to 150 birds in it, and we've already seen about 50 mallards that tried to land here as we were brushing everything in. But as you can tell, we are doing some last minute brushing in. But we got permission to hunt this field right at dark last night, so it was kind of a last minute thing, but it worked out really well. Farmer was more than happy to let us come hunt here, and I think we're gonna be able to kill a good amount of geese today. Wind is like it has been the entire season. We're sitting at like 5-6 miles an hour, so we should have the geese coming in about 10 minutes. There's usually a signal that shows up like any minute now, but guns are about to get loaded, and we'll catch back up to you guys when we're killing birds.
Let's get some more of these today, boys.
Right above us. They're dropping in. Don't even move.
Call it, River.
Let's go.
Watch that one right there.
Yeah, I did. I shot the one that was leaving.
First flock came in as you saw. What was it, a flock of 8 or something?
Yeah.
It was a flock of 8 and we shot 5 of them. They decoyed perfectly. Came in completely silent. Sean actually saw them like probably 60-70 yards behind us, and we didn't
honk once.
No.
Quiet.
And we didn't call once either, and they decoyed right in our faces, so that could be the name of the game today. So we're gonna be pretty quiet and just let the birds work. We got birds behind us, boys.
Yep. Birds are quiet this morning.
Shoot 'em! That's down.
No,
it's
no,
down.
No,
it's
no, don't shoot it.
Shoot 'em. 5-pack just came in, and we just shot 4 more geese. So we're up to 9 birds.
We're not calling at all. It's working perfect.
9 birds, 2 flocks. Exactly what River just said.
We're not going to call anymore because I have not called one time at these birds and they are doing it.
Check for bands. Check for bands.
Check your legs, boys.
Empty the guns.
They're about 150 behind us. 150 yards, not 150 birds.
I hear them. I was looking at these, Dude, I see the farm goose.
Where?
Maybe not.
No.
I just see a broken wing kind of.
He'll probably circle one more time. Wind's picking up a little bit. This is gonna be it right here. Kill him. Good shot. All right, so 11 birds, 3 flocks. River's chasing geese out there. They kind of short-stopped us a little bit. Oh, frick. River, lay down.
Shoot them?
No.
No. They want the smoke again.
Chief gets another feather, boys. How far
Don't let him get away.
Right here. Kill him!
Yeah.
Don't let him get away.
Kill him! Don't get them if we don't have to. Unless you just run quick, I guess.
See if they're banded, just leave them.
Boys, I might need to open another box of shells.
That's a good problem to have.
3.5 double B.
Alright, I don't even know if I can run ahead.
Bands? No bands?
No bands.
All right.
Alright, boys. Don't let him leave.
Shoot him.
Oh, boys.
Oh! Shoot him!
Let's go!
Oh, one.
Ah.
Hang on, it might turn around. He's going right.
Let's go, buddy.
Here it comes back. Here it comes
I
back.
hate that one.
Just don't move.
Get down. Yes, sir. Let's do it, boys. Let's do it.
Kill him.
Yeah.
Whoa! Let's go! Yeah!
Hey,
Dude!
for more birds.
I have 2 shells left.
Oh, hang on. What do you need?
4 more birds down. We got lucky with that last one. He came back for more. So guys, this has just been absolutely insane. As you can tell, I haven't even stopped recording my GoPro. Maybe once or twice. It's just been constant, like, geese in our face. Oh, those are ducks.
Hey, get the B-roll of these ducks, man.
But we're at 19 birds. It's about 7:15, and we've seen maybe a third of the birds that have been in this field. So
Hopefully they keep coming like this.
hopefully they keep coming like this. They're coming in the perfect sizes. Nice groups for 6 man.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16,
21?
20 or 21?
Maybe.
20 or
We
21.
don't know yet.
Yeah, Chief gets 2 feathers today.
Chief gets 2 feathers today. River doesn't really know how to count that well, so.
I'm gonna count again. What did I do?
Hey, we got geese.
He doesn't believe you.
It's been going like that all morning.
21? 21. We got 21 geese down, 2 more than I thought.
21 and a lot more to go.
We've killed 21 geese in about 30 minutes, so maybe it'll keep going like that. Oh my gosh, ducks.
Boom, 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 boom.
They're getting closer, that's for sure.
Yeah, they're coming in hot, too.
Behind us or to the left?
Dude, I didn't
even see him.
Who called them?
I don't know. They just jumped up.
Was it a 2-pack?
It was just a 2.
I hear more.
Where at?
Behind us to the left. Towards the mushroom farm.
Okay, 2 more down.
They're gonna do the same thing. Call it this time. Where the hell are they?
Yeah! Freaking kidding me!
I smoked that one in the back.
I swear to God, his wing hit me in the head.
Oh!
I smoked that one in the back.
I felt the wind.
Oh, God! Alright. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 geese.
They want it.
Yep.
I got that one.
Hey, shoot.
No, I knew wounded that
I
one.
got that one.
What just happened? So we just killed possibly 10 birds out of that flock.
Let's do it.
If you haven't given us a like yet, you might as well. I mean, come on.
This is awesome.
We're over 30 birds right now, and it's 7:45. And there's so many more geese coming.
Can I just say, we put the absolute hurt in us. Like,
How many left? 4?
like four out of all of them?
We're really missing you right now, Dan. We're really missing you. You guys saw what just happened. River's getting a count. He just said 34.
Either way,
He's counting right now. So our high for the season is 36. Oh, Chief. Oh, I'll wait till he's done.
Chief, he needs 5.
Yeah.
Chief's getting another feather.
36.
36? All right, so we are tied with this season's high.
It's not even 8 o'clock.
We're tied with this season's high. The sun has just started to come up.
We are plastering
I'll
them.
tell you the time.
We've seen probably 60 of the 125 birds.
We haven't let any go.
7:38.
7:38.
That one's still moving.
I got the power. We got more geese coming in. We got more geese.
I hear them. Are they low, boys?
Oh, right there, low, to the right.
Oh boy.
Oh, look at that fly.
I still don't even see them.
They're right in front of us.
Well, I got my blind up so high I can't see them. You just let me know when to kill them.
You see them right in front of you.
No, 'cause
Right
I
in
have my
front.
blind up so
Right, literally right there.
high. Yep. Let them do it. Oh, hunker down, boys.
They're gonna circle once.
River's calling it.
More geese coming.
Get back down. We got more birds.
Hang on. Watch this. Watch this. Come right back.
He's turned. Here he comes.
All right, whoever gets a shot at him.
Here he comes. You see him now?
Yep.
Yep.
He's coming in front. Just be patient.
Oh, River.
Real nice, River. Is he banded?
If he is, I'm gonna freaking nut.
75,000 yards.
Come on, one of them. He said, no, I don't want it right now.
He's not very photogenic.
Oh, come on, start twitching. There, oh.
Nah, you guys.
Oh.
He
We
pulled
all
hard
three shot
too.
him after we
He was
shoot.
flying hard. I know he did. Yeah, you guys flagged him?
Oh, I flagged him hard. That's the only thing I did.
You shot on that?
Huh?
No shot.
Well, River dumped him. and I shot him.
Oh, there it is. Oh, he's getting rowdy.
Good stuff, River. Nice shooting. Birds started to slow down. We're probably gonna have a flock come in as we're cleaning up. We're stacking the birds. We're not positive how many geese we have. We know it's over 35. So River's gonna count them up. And
I mean, you just mess on my count.
Just count them at one we said.
No, you gotta count them as you stack because then you don't miss one. Damn it. 34. 36.
This one we kind of.
He's seen some better.
40.
there's 40.
He come in there. He should be
41.
41 birds.
Today.
41.
Definitely not bad.
It's a solid day right there.
Told you before, every 10 birds, Chief is getting a feather. So we shot 41 today, so Chief is getting 4 new feathers. This gotta be a ritual every time. So there it is.
Starting to look like a seasoned goose if I've ever seen one.
So for the spread this morning, we decided to change it up a little bit. Usually we're running all dive bombs, and that's been working really well. But these are the same geese that we've hunted well, this is our third time hunting the same geese, and 2 other groups hunt them as well. Yeah, we're just down the road from where we hunted opening morning in a chopped cornfield, and so we decided to run all full bodies today. All full bodies and like not even a dozen silhouettes. We got a mixture of Dakotas, Avians, GHGs, Higdons, a lot of different stuff, and we just set them in little groups around us, and they just want it right in our mouth.
Pretty much made like a C out of it.
Yeah, kind of see, kind of not, just want it in our mouth.
Our blinds are right there.
Let them have it.
Yep.
It's a pretty good shoot, I'd say.
So we did have a total of 41 birds, and this is a great wrap up to the end of early season. We're gonna be regular season in about was it like a month? We got regular season about a month.
Get some deer hunting going.
Yep, deer hunting starting up, duck season starting soon, so we're still gonna be coming at you guys with videos. And just look at that, beautiful. So if you haven't already, you need to subscribe because it's gonna help us out. And if you want more content and watching videos like this, then we're the place to subscribe. So thank you guys for watching another episode of Flatline Fowl.